Alright, welcome back to another spray paint test. We're going to be doing the Ace spray paint again. If you remember, we had really good results with the gray, and it's very inexpensive paint, and so if this stuff works, it's a good alternative to the more expensive paints. Now this one, it says chrome aluminum, which I've heard of chrome paint and I've heard of aluminum paint. I haven't heard of chrome aluminum paint, and I'm guessing that the cap is not indicating the color very well at all. It's just kind of a molded color, and we're just going to find out. There's only one way to do this, but it's really inexpensive paint. It's like $3 for the can, and the gray that I had tried was very good paint, so I'm guessing that this is good paint too. There's only one way to find out. Now I've got a few things set up here we're going to do just in case there's a difference between spoons and knives and forks. And we're going to do them all. And then in addition to that, I brought out some parts, some exhaust parts, some things that might be good with this paint, like those mufflers there. And I don't know, maybe the pipes. We're going to get a good look at what it looks like on model car parts. So let me set up the camera and we will spray this stuff. Okay, so here's the result. Kind of surprising. I don't know, because the cap it's absolutely nothing like the cap. The cap is like a dull silver, but it sprays basically chrome. You know, that's really shiny. Really surprised. Let me get in closer here. You can see that good. It's going to be great for, you paint the whole exhaust so that the mufflers are the right shininess, maybe even too shiny. But things like, wow, this is a surprise. And it is reflective. I'll show you. I've got a little thing I brought in here. You see there? Hopefully you're seeing the reflection and not the shadow. See it in there? So it's reflective for sure. Okay, actually I just wanted to add this in. I got this inside here, and I wanted to show the reflectivity without the shadows. I mean, look at this. Isn't this amazing? It's, I would have to say this is the best, you know, one-time quick application chrome spray that I've seen as for reflectivity. That's amazing. That's just great. Anyway, I just had to add this little part in here, you know, and it's not all like that because, you know, so I put it on really heavy on this part, and it worked out good. And then you kind of got to get a feel for it, otherwise it doesn't work. See that? And then let's see what happened on the fork. Yeah, same thing. Not so great, but okay. But if you get it just right, I mean, you saw that I didn't spray anything that wasn't on camera. If you get it just right, the reflectivity is fantastic. Look at that. Anyway, just wanted to add that in there. And now we'll get back to what I was showing. There we go. So, quite a surprise. Let's have a look at that pattern there. Come around to the other side. And of course, this, this type of paint, it sprays quite a bit like the Duplicolor Chrome, and it actually smells like the Duplicolor Chrome. And so there's a kind of a feel you got. You saw me spraying it on pretty heavy, and that's kind of what you got to do to get it to kind of be really wet for the effect to work. Let me come around to the other side here. There we go. So not bad at all. I mean, that looks like a real fork. So anyway, yeah, it's one of those things. The chrome aluminum is actually like chrome aluminum. Anyway, this is just a basic test just to show how it sprays. A lot of people might pass by this because it's so inexpensive, but it's actually really, really good paint. So I hope this helped somebody, and thanks for watching.